Alright, how's it going? I'm Trace, and welcome to RAD Factory 3D. My goals for today's video are just to introduce myself and tell you all some about what I'm doing. I'm Trace, and I've been 3D printing for about a year now. I've been doing it long enough to know that I don't know what I'm doing, so that takes me actually to one of my first points about the channel. That's one of the main reasons I wanted to start this was I wanted to learn, and I wanted to have a space for people who maybe don't know a lot about 3D printing to find some answers about some things. In my last year of 3D printing, I've gone to YouTube a lot about some questions, and I've very quickly discovered that there are not a lot of answers to a lot of questions. So hopefully I can provide some solutions and some answers for you. And that actually brings me to my second point and goal with the channel. I'd really like to save you guys some time and trial and error and effort with this. There's just a little bit of a hint at a series that I have planned. I want to do the testing for you. I want to do the testing for you, that way you can see your ideas flow faster and less failed prints and less wasted material. So I'm really excited for you guys to see that. And my third point is that let's make things. I am really excited about another series that I have planned. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but here's a sneak peek at something that I've been working on. This is one of the first designs that I ever whipped up for myself. These are magnetic wire clips, so you just snap this open, clip it onto one of your cables, and then you can stick it to any magnetic surface. And this big one is actually kind of a trophy I made after I made my first online order of these magnetic clips. So that just goes to show how a little bit of effort can make your ideas flow and can turn into great things. So before I go, again, I'm Trace, and welcome again to RAD Factory 3D. I appreciate you stopping by. Please hit that like button, and please consider subscribing. Thanks.